SAS Technology, a prominent Greek defense contractor, recently wrapped up a significant 3-day live-fire testing campaign for its Sarisa II, SRS-2A, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV. The tests, which took place at the Litakoro firing range from February 10 to 12, 2025, were pivotal for the certification of this cutting-edge aerial system. During the trials, the SRS-2A demonstrated its ability to fire both unguided and laser-guided rockets, showcasing its potential to enhance the precision and effectiveness of unmanned aerial combat operations. The series of tests conducted over the 3 days offered a comprehensive evaluation of the vehicle's operational capabilities, confirming its proficiency in handling advanced rocket systems. The UCAV's ability to deploy both 70mm unguided and laser-guided rockets, specifically the FZ-275 model by Thales Belgium, was central to the exercise. The tests were monitored by the Hellenic Ministry of National Defense, with support from Thales Belgium and Hellenic Defense Systems, HDS, who provided critical technical assistance. The first day of testing, February 10, centered around the SRS-2A's ability to fire unguided rockets while maintaining its flight stability. The UCAV successfully launched a 70mm unguided rocket while hovering, maintaining control despite the challenges posed by rocket jet blast. The rocket's trajectory followed a predictable path, verifying the vehicle's optical sighting system. On February 11, the focus shifted to precision with the FZ-275 laser-guided rocket, LGR. The SRS-2A launched the LGR at a target measuring 5 by 5 meters, with a central area of 2 by 2 meters, demonstrating impressive accuracy with a deviation of just 0.2 meters. Although the test took place at the rocket's minimum range of 1,700 meters, it still achieved a circular error probable (CEP) of less than 1 meter. This laser-guided weapon, designed for engagement distances from 3 to 5 kilometers, was launched at supersonic speed, with guidance fins deployed at 400 meters. The final day, February 12, featured a live demonstration attended by military officials and international representatives. Here, the SRS-2A fired another FZ-275 LGR rocket from an altitude of 450 meters, maintaining high stability and hitting the target with a CEP under 1 meter. In addition, the Hellenic Special Forces demonstrated the UCAV's capability to drop precision grenades in both sequential and simultaneous release modes, showcasing the vehicle's versatility in various combat scenarios. The FZ-275 LGR is a highly advanced semi-active laser-guided rocket designed to bridge the gap between unguided rockets and long-range missiles. With a targeting range of 1,500 to 7,000 meters and an impressive CEP of less than 1 meter at 6 kilometers, the rocket offers precision targeting while minimizing collateral damage. It is equipped with a variety of warhead configurations, including high-explosive variants capable of penetrating steel and engaging a wide range of targets, such as vehicles, air defense systems, and radar installations. The FZ-275 can be fired from standard 2.75-inch rocket launchers and integrates seamlessly with advanced rocket launchers developed by Thales Belgium, which include the FZ-606 for helicopters and the FZ-800 for aircraft. These tests highlight not only the SRS-2's advanced capabilities but also the growing trend toward integrating unmanned aerial systems with precision-guided munitions, underscoring their vital role in modern warfare.